what's going on, guys? That's Plus69 here. It's been a while since I dropped a video. Haven't won shit. I haven't really felt like paying resale on any of the shoes that dropped lately. Been some nice ones, but none of them that I think are worth the resale value. Finally got these on kind of accident. Didn't even want them. Got them from my girl. My roommate. They're women's Air Max Furyosa NRG. Weird shoes, but yeah. Let's get to what's inside the box. All right. First things first, let's get into the details. As you can see, there is plenty to talk about. Got the double air units. These kind of look like Air Max 95. I don't know. And then there's another air unit up here. As you can see, this one it goes all the way around. So yeah, you got double air units. That's already pretty crazy. And then you got a gap in the middle. You got this little fucking gap right here. You got that gap, and then you got the sole made out of their recycled Nikes or whatever. Pretty cool. I like that. It looks like glittery. I like that. You got another air unit right here. I guess it's part of the bottom one, yeah. Split down the middle. Pretty thick sole in the front still, then it tapers down. Pretty much it for the sole. It kind of rides up, as you can see, at a sharp angle like that. Whoa. At a sharp angle like that. And then moving up, you got that double Nike swooshes right here. Got another one right here. What else? You got one on the other side? Yeah, you do. And you got another one right here. So you got like 6 Nike swooshes, 7, 8 on this damn shoe, 9 on each shoe. Any more? No. You got this little tab back here in the lilac color. I don't know why they put lilac on here or whatever this pastel color is. I would have been fine with it, just these 3 main colors, black, green, and raspberry, but okay. Moving on up, another detail probably already stood out. The shoelaces. They got these are just for aesthetics or for looks. They don't do anything. The shoelace on the back. Let's see if you guys can see. Yeah, there you go. It's not doing anything. It just goes all the way around the shoe. Kind of cool, nifty, something different. It's right there. And then you got the white shoelaces. It didn't come with any other pair of shoelaces, I don't think. Let me check real quick. No, it's just the shoes. Just came with white shoelaces. Or the black ones. Maybe you could switch them out. That'd be kind of cool. I don't know how they would look in the, because these are kind of made for these. They're kind of thick, the shoelace holes. But anyways, going up, you got some suede right here. You got a little plastic thing right here on the back. I don't know what you would call it, on the heel. You got suede, like a little bit rougher, tumbled suede. I don't know what you would call that. And then you got more suede, the green. It's like shorter, smoother. This one's a little bit longer. Looks kind of dirty, but it doesn't look like that in person, just on camera and with the lights. You got the more lilac, or no, this is like blue. I don't know what that's doing there, whatever. It's not bad. And you got this mesh up here. I like this color. It's like mesh raspberry. And then you got like faux fur or whatever this is up here inside on the liner. Pretty soft. It's got like a double tongue thing going on. I don't know if you guys can tell. This is that nylon material, and then it has a faux suede on the inside. Got them in 5. And then this is like a, like a plasticky, kind of like blazer, the tongue on the blazers, but this is a little bit harder. You can see right there, and then you got suede on top of it. It's just the outside of it, and then the shoelaces, the shoelace holes are like leather, lilac. The aglets are lilac, as you can see right there. Pretty cool. Got a tongue strap, a back strap, and some more nylon with suede in the back. I mean, I can't try them on. They're 5, they're women's. She did say that they were pretty comfortable. guess we'll get into that next. But yeah, that's pretty much it for all the details. I know there's a lot. I'll give y'all a good look on it. Oh wait, there was 9, 10. How many was there? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9 Nike signs. Make that 10, 11 right here in the front. I don't know if you guys can tell. There you go. Right there in the front. Any more in the back somewhere? Sneaky. Oh, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that it? God, there's something here, but that's not a Nike thing. 15 Nike swooshes on this shoe. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, guys. Obviously, I can't do what they look like on feet on these because they're a size 5. Look at these little cute little things. God, they're kind of cool. They're so funny looking. But all right, let's get into the little rating system that I started doing for my shoes now. On style, these are pretty stylish, man. I don't know. It's like what's popping right now. The thick soles, you know, double air unit. This is different. It's like a modern shoe, I guess, but they did it right. The colors is the only thing that bothers me, but they're stylish. You know, people can make it work. There's creative people out there. They know how to rock their shit, especially with weird colors. So on style, I'll give it an 8. They're pretty nice. They're pretty cool. All right. Moving on to comfort. I don't know. She said they were pretty comfortable on her feet. They're pretty soft. They were nice and smushy. I mean, I don't know. I thought it was just a gimmick, the double air unit, but she don't really know shit. She just said that they were really comfortable and they were super soft. I'm guessing it's this faux fur and the double air units, and maybe this is kind of squishy too. This right here, the sole. So on comfort, I don't know. Going off of like what I heard, maybe she said they were more comfortable than Vapor Maxes, and I forgot what else. But so I gave it an 8.5 out of 10 on comfort. Wearability, yeah, they look like a sports shoe, but I mean, who doesn't wear sports shoes everywhere? You know, you can wear these everywhere. They're not Air Forces, so they're not gonna kick you out of the bar for wearing these, unless it's like a fancy, super, you know, uppity bar. But you can rock these to the barbecue. You can rock these to the pool. You know, pool day. You can rock these to the club. Well, not the club. I mean, to the bars. You can rock these pretty much anywhere where there's no dress code enforced. They look like a sports shoe. They look like a fashion shoe. So on wearability, I give it also pretty high, 8.5 out of 10. Wearability, yeah, they look like a sports shoe, but I mean, who doesn't wear sports shoes everywhere? You know, you can wear these everywhere. They're not Air Forces, so they're not gonna kick you out of the bar for wearing these, unless it's like a fancy, super, you know, uppity bar. But you can rock these to the barbecue. You can rock these to the pool. You know, pool day. You can rock these to the club. Well, not the club. I mean, to the bars. You can rock these pretty much anywhere where there's no dress code enforced. They look like a sports shoe. They look like a fashion shoe. So on wearability, I give it also pretty high, 8.5 out of 10. Now on pricing, my pricing, man, these were kind of rough, man. They are cool shoes, I guess. That's why. Well, check that out. So I don't know. It's kind of high. They are pretty cool. They're different. You can tell there was, like, I guess, more work into them. There's a lot more layers to them. There's a lot more materials. There's a lot more, you know, engineering going into, I guess, I don't know, design. So I guess it's justifiable, but pricing, I mean, compared to other shoes, 170 for, these kind of look like Air Maxes. I don't even know what, like 270s? I don't know what they're just a hybrid of whatever the fuck. But still, they're kind of high, so pricing, I give it a 6 out of 10. And then last, value. I mean, value out of, so far as to date, I mean, I got, these came in on Monday. It is now Friday. The value, you can find them for almost the same or cheaper on websites, which I mean does not include shipping and handling, which it hasn't lost value, it hasn't gained value. If anything, it probably lost a little bit of value, but that's just a week. You know, who knows in a month or in a year or two what they're gonna be worth, if they're gonna be worth anything. So I don't know, the value was okay. It's been dropping, so I'll give it a 5 out of 10. It ain't no goddamn Travis Scott shoe. So the overall score for the Air Max Furyosa NRG was a 7.2 out of 10. Not bad. Not bad. Pretty good score. 7.2 out of 10, especially for just a random sneaker. I mean, that's my rating, so whatever. Not bad for me. So if you like them and you see them, now you've seen them in person, up close, let me know what y'all think. That's pretty much it for this video. You know I can't do an on-foot review. Maybe I'll take pictures of her wearing them or something. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. I know it's been some time since I uploaded, but blame the sneakers app, bro. I can't win shit. I got a few other shoes to review, but I mean, it was like the Paul George's PS5 shoes that I thought they were gonna, they sucked, but whatever. Yeah, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Be back for more.